In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Steam games not appearing in the Steam store error. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This can be obviously super annoying when you're searching for a game and it just doesn't show up. But to fix this, go up to the top right corner of Steam and click on your profile name. And from here, you're going to see a store preferences option on here. Select this, and once you are in store preferences, look specifically for the content filters option on here. Make sure that these different content options are enabled or checked, including games that may be hidden due to preference or age settings. After enabling these settings, and you could just copy these ones right here if you want, just go back to the Steam store and search for whatever game it might be that you're looking for. And as you'll see, the game will now appear in the store. But that is how you could fix your Steam games not showing up here in the Steam store. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.